Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming where the virus notification came from and stopping its privileges. Open the notification but do not tap links. Note the app name and time. Next, go straight to Settings Apps and sort by recently installed to spot unfamiliar packages. Once you find it, open its app page, and before uninstalling, go to Settings Security Device Admin to revoke any device administrator rights the app has. This prevents it from blocking removal. Once admin rights are removed, reboot into safe mode so third-party apps stay inactive. Press power, then long press restart and choose safe mode. In safe mode, open Settings Apps and uninstall the suspicious app S. If uninstall is blocked, clear data and try again. After rebooting normally, install a trusted antivirus from Google Play, update its definitions, and run a full scan to remove residual files and quarantine threats. Also check browser to finish, clear the browser cache and cookies, and remove unknown bookmarks or saved forms that may trigger fake alerts. Next, reset network settings to clear malicious proxy configurations, and then change passwords for key accounts using a different device if possible. If suspicious behavior continues, back up photos and contacts, then perform a factory reset from Settings System Reset options. This wipes persistent malware. If anything goes wrong, try reinstalling a backup or seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.